In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change divider colors in Notion. First, open the Notion page where you want to add or update a divider. This can be any page at all, whether it's a notes page, a dashboard, or a document you're styling to look a little cleaner and more organized. Before we jump in, it's important to know one key limitation in Notion. The default divider block does not let you change its color directly. So if you've been looking for a built-in color setting and couldn't find one, that's why. The workaround is to create a custom divider using a block equation, which uses latex formatting. It sounds technical, but it's actually very simple once you see it in action. Click into an empty field on your Notion page, then press the / key on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu where you can insert different kinds of content blocks. Once that menu appears, type equation. As you type, Notion will filter the results for you, making it easier to find the exact block you need. From the options that appear, click on block equation. This inserts a full width equation block onto the page, which is what we'll use to simulate a colored divider. Now in that equation field, type the code provided in the video description or pause the video and copy it from the screen if it's being shown there. This code is what creates the divider effect, so make sure you paste or type it carefully. After that, customize the color and size presets to match the look you want. This is the part that gives you flexibility. You can adjust the color value to create different divider colors, and you can also change the size settings to make the line appear thicker, thinner, longer, or more subtle depending on your page design. If you want a divider that stands out, use a bolder size or a stronger color. If you prefer something minimal, go with a softer tone and a slimmer line. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Done, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your custom colored divider will now appear on the page. And that's it. Even though Notion doesn't support divider colors natively, this method gives you a simple and effective way to create them manually while keeping your page polished and visually organized.